Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel Ray and it's good to have you. So, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm base box unboxing. So, for those of you that do not know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. It's a monthly beauty subscription box. Sorry, my hair is wild and I have not filmed in a couple of days, if not a week. So, give me a break. Anyways, okay, so Boxycharm is $25 a month. So they have a base box that comes with 5 products, full-size products, from skincare to beauty, sometimes tools like brushes, stuff like that, like eyeshadow brushes, face brushes. And then you have a $35 box, which I did already unbox on my channel. So if you're interested, it's going to be the previous video before this one. That one runs for $35. That one's from 6 to 7 products every month, and they're also full size. And again, it's going to be the same categories. And then we have a Boxy Luxe, which is going to be next month. That's a $50 box. So if you do get the Boxy Luxe, you will not get your base box for the following month, which will be June. You'll get the Boxy Luxe if you're gonna pay the extra. So if you have not already subscribed to it, I would already subscribe to it, upgrade to it if you are interested in the Boxy Luxe. The Boxy Luxe comes with 9 to 10 products that are full size as well. So you get skincare, hair tools. I mean, I've gotten, did I get this one? I think I might have got this one actually in my Boxy Luxe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure I did, because most of my hair tools I get them from Boxy Luxe. So this is a wand. I did get a mini one also in my Boxy Luxe, but I gave it to my daughter so she could have one, and it was a smaller one. I've gotten a blow dryer in there. It was a mini blow dryer, but man, that blow dryer worked really, really good. So there's that. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video and go ahead and start unboxing. I did already open it from the bottom, and we're gonna get in and see what we got. So when you open the box, it's pink. There's a sneak peek. It's pink. Our premium was blue. I don't know what the Boxy Luxe is. So again, the theme for this month is gonna be Flourish for Mother's Day. Very pretty. The first product that I'm gonna do is that it's catching my eye. It's because it's the biggest product in there, and it's by Murad. I don't know if it's Murad or Murad or Murad, but this is a really good skincare brand. I hear their cleansers are really good. This will be my first time trying Murad, and this is actually an environmental shield. This is actually step 3. It's a moisturized hydrator. It's City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Okay, I don't have a detox moisturizer. So it's detoxifying. I cannot speak today, you guys. Wow. Okay. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula with supercharged antioxidants from rubium plant stem cells neutralizes pollutants and strengthens skin barriers while you sleep. Vitamin C helps brighten and even tone, while nourishing botanicals plump skin to help visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Wake up to radiant, healthy looking skin. So this is for the PM, so use this at nighttime with your skincare. It is going to be a thicker moisturizer, I'm assuming. If you do have oily combination skin, I would lean towards what's it called? Gel lotions, like why can't I speak today? Yeah, they're gel moisturizers. I know I have one. Let me grab one. Yeah, so your gel creams, like the water creams, because it's going to be a thicker. This is by Burt's Bees, but this cream is going to be a thinner consistency. So as you see, it's more jelly, it's more watery, it's not thick. So this is the kind of moisturizer you want to go for, especially in the daytime. Now if you do wear foundations and stuff like that, foundations, powders, I would go for a thicker cream. especially during the daytime. I've learned that it works really well in conjunction with when you're doing your base on your face, and it just makes the products look very skin-like and beautiful. So again, this one is going to be your nighttime, for your nighttime routine. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. So this is what this looks like, and it has like a little top, and so the way you pump it out, it's going to come up. So it comes up like that. That's neat. And so this is a little bit thicker. It's not too thick, but it does sink into the skin. This one doesn't have nothing on it. This one does. So there's that. I smell like maybe a little bit of citrus, like a little bit of a citrus scent. I see beeswax, I see beeswax, I see jojoba. Fruit extract, cucumber. Maybe a little, yeah, I do smell the cucumber a little bit. So there's this. I'm excited to try this. I love skincare. You guys, this is, if it's one thing that Boxycharm has brought me a huge variety and collection of skincare. And so this is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protected Mist. So this is Treat Before You Heat. It's a lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It says for use on dry hair, shake well, lift sections of dry hair and spray throughout before using hot tools. So this is something new. This is by Dry Bar. Let me go ahead and go over the products with you at the same time. So the Murad Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer retails for $74. You see what I mean? This is why I love Boxycharm, because I'm able to get high quality products and luxury products sometimes here and there at an affordable price for $25. So that's a steal for me. The Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protected Mist is a lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450. It's a $27 value. So the next thing in here is going to be by Mellow. This is a lip gloss in the shade Saint Tropez. This says, get ready to spice up your lips. The ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a unique, smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. This retails for $18. Oh, that's a pretty shade. So this is what this looks like. It's a really pretty nude. Very pretty nude. I don't have nothing on my lips. Sorry if you can hear my kid. Sorry. Okay, so let's see how this dries down. If it dries down, it's a lip gloss, but sometimes they dry down, sometimes they don't. The next thing in our box is some brushes by Lavish. So some eyeshadow brushes. I'm not gonna lie, this plastic does feel a little bit cheap. Okay, I love brushes. Okay. I kind of feel these are a little bit hollow. So there's these brushes. So these are the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. These retail for $30. I'm always excited to get new brushes. We'll have to see how they perform. So we got like a shader brush, but it's a little bit slanted, which is good for your crease. We also received a liner brush. This is good for liner on the top or under the waterline. This is a packer brush to pack on shimmer or pack on shades. This is the pencil brush. This is also good for blending at the bottom of your eye. And then we have a big fluffy blending brush. So overall, I'm excited to receive new brushes. I love new brushes. They're my favorite. And last but not least, we have I think this is an eyeshadow palette. This is by Cab. This is the Day and Night. And this is what this looks like. The back. It does have like a different finish. So we have a glossy finish. And then when we open it, we have these shades. We have a nice mirror. There goes baby. So we have a purple shades, but if you just take out the purple, this is more of a neutral palette. So let's swatch a couple of these. So we have Halo, which is a purple. They're soft, but you'll probably have to work with them to get them to show up. This is Burnt Orange. Very soft. Then we have Dawn. I'm going to move into the shimmers. So we have this really pretty burgundy. We'll also have this like plum, it's called Midnight. They kind of look very similar on camera, but one's more purple and more has red. Then we have this really pretty Starlight, like a taupe brown, really pretty. And then we have Moon Dust, which has more of a purple undertone. And then I'm going to do one more. This one's in the name. This is the shade Dusk. This is like a burnt orange one. Really pretty copper. Overall, I think this is a really good palette. Well, I can't wait to see how it performs. I'm not going to do it today. I was going to do it, but as you can hear, baby's up. So that's the end of that. So the retail for that is going to be, this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to, oh my gosh, create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. It retails for $52. That's kind of steep. So overall, we received an eyeshadow palette, some eyeshadow brushes, a heat protectant, some nighttime lotion, and also a lip gloss. I think it was worth my $25 just because these alone, and this retails for like $70. I think it's a really good value, and I think it was a steal. So You guys tell me what you thought about my box. If we're box twins, if you have signed up, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments down below. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.